Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to remove from usernames on Instagram. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on this website. So regretfully there isn't a method on Instagram, so there's no method to hide from my usernames. However, there are a few steps you can take to reduce its exposure and maintain the appearance of a recent profile. So yeah guys, let's go over this post. So to hide your username, just launch the Instagram app. In the lower right corner of the screen, there is an icon representing your profile. Tap on it, select edit profile on your home page. Tap the username section. After swiping down to find it, take out your present username and put nothing in the name field. To save the new username, tap save changes, and that's about it. On the iPhone, it's pretty similar. Just go to Instagram, tap the profile icon, go to edit profile, find the username area, give it a tap, leave the text area empty and remove your current username. Then just save the changes and click on done. On the desktop app, just log it into Instagram. Go to your profile settings, click add profile, look at the username section and choose it. Leave the text area empty as well. Remove your current username. To save the changes, click submit. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. By doing this, you can reduce the appearance of your former usernames on Instagram. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.